Welcome to this Cast Metals Federation AGM for 2023. This year has been one of continued challenges for our members and the wider UK manufacturing sector. We have continued to support through providing a range of face-to-face meetings for members to come together, share ideas and discuss topics of interest and relevance, as well as a wide range of updates and reports circulated by email. One of the important topics for us is around the transition to net zero, and our work in this area is informed by our net zero panel, consisting of representatives from all parts of the industry. The panel is now ensuring that we are much more strategic and consistent in our responses to government consultations in our own wider lobbying activities. Here is an outline of some of the key areas of focus for the panel, which include energy costs, reporting, energy efficiency and fuel switching. Earlier this year, we published our roadmap to a globally competitive net zero UK foundry industry, which has been widely shared with our members, but also with policymakers. Here you can see some of our key asks to help make our industry more sustainable and competitive. And here are some of the key messages from the West Midlands Industrial Energy Task Force report around key changes needed to support UK manufacturing. CMF members inputted to this significantly. We've been delighted to welcome some new foundries into membership of the Federation since July 2022. H. Goodwin's, Murrell and FICME, FICME and aluminium products, as well as a number of suppliers to the industry. We have also continued and nurtured our links with a number of universities and innovation and R&D networks so that we're up to date with current trends and can help members to future-proof their operations. One such network is through Transfire, part of the Transforming Foundation Industries Challenge, and we have had a case study led by Sheffield Hallam University with input from some of our members looking at how we can reduce the amount of waste foundry sand going to landfill. We know that there are opportunities for the greater reuse of foundry wastes, but also many barriers to this. So by linking through the various networks, we hope to find solutions and reduce the cost burden of waste to industry. Members continue to benefit from our relationships with key partners, including Krona for employment law and HR matters, energy procurement through LG Energy, help with R&D tax credits and capital allowances from Yes Tax, and insurance brokerage through Andy Cave and the team at Towergate. And our Shift initiative on health and safety continues to share good practice to improve the health and well-being of employees, which supports members to ensure that they can meet their obligations. An important part of our work is to promote our members and to promote casting as a route to manufacture. And we always get a steady flow of inquiries from companies looking to find a cast component supplier. In September, we were at the NEC for Metals Expo, and our stand at the event was once again very busy with inquiries. April saw us bring the industry together at Cranfield University for CastCon, our casting conference. With an excellent range of topics and even some international speakers, the event was a great success. We plan the next one will be in spring 2025. Our Foundry in a Box is getting plenty of use now, and if any foundries would like to know more about this initiative, which is aimed at supporting you to engage with your local schools and colleges to encourage the take-up of engineering and manufacturing apprenticeships, while showcasing casting as a route to manufacture, then please do get in touch. For the past couple of years, our team has also been providing some paid secretariat to FICME, the Institute of Cast Metals Engineers, who focus on training and professional development to support those in the industry and their companies. as well as providing the endpoint assessment for apprentices on the metal casting standard. We also supported ICME to obtain a grant from the Foundry Training Trust, which is an independent charity. And the aim of this grant was to help grow the technical training on offer to the industry. Additionally, the grant is to help showcase the range of careers in the castings industry to encourage the take-up of apprenticeship places. We've partnered with Next Gen Makers to carry out a pilot project with a number of foundries in the West Midlands. An important message from the project is that the industry is a key part of the circular economy for metals. We make lower carbon products as we use secondary metal as our main raw material. Plus, that the industry is innovative and global, using modern IT tools such as additive manufacturing and simulation. And of course, we make many of the components needed for a modern economy, including for EVs, energy generation, transport, medical, and much more. A key part of the project is a virtual tour of a foundry that kids can watch using a mobile phone and a 3D headset. This 360-degree virtual tour was filmed in a couple of local foundries with an interactive voiceover and is supported by a new website, Casting My Future, as well as a leave behind brochure. It's now being trialled in 10 local schools as part of this pilot. If it's a success, we hope that it can be rolled out to 1 or 2 other regions later in 2024. Despite the many challenges in manufacturing presently, our industry has a positive story to tell, and we can all make the case for casting as a near net shape route to manufacture. Our Net Zero panel will continue to meet during 2024, and we can hope that there will be more appreciation and support for manufacturing and local sourcing for national infrastructure projects. After all, the industry was considered vital during COVID. Why not now and into the future? And so what of the future? Here are some of the key industry trends we're all seeing, with greater demands on our businesses and the components we make to perform better whilst using less resources. Our team, with the support of our members and suppliers, will continue to work on all of these to create a more competitive UK foundry and castings industry. Thank you.